In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic investments in Fidelity. So the first thing you want to do is sign in or log into your account on Fidelity, and then you want to click on Accounts and Trade over here on your dashboard, so this part over here. And then from here, you want to click on Transfers, which is this part over here. So as you can see, it says Transfers. This is the one you want to click. Now, from here, then the second step will be down here, where you'll see a bunch of different options. And the one you want to click on is under Manage over here in the middle. You want to click on Manage Recurring Transfers. So this one over here, you should click on that. And after you click on that, it will load up your scheduled transfers. Now, in case you don't have any, you'll see this message. You don't currently have any automatic transfers scheduled. And then you simply want to click on this button over here, which says Set up an automatic investment. So simply click on that, and from there, you'll be able to do this. Now, the next step will be you will have to basically select which account you want to invest in, like it says over here. So for this instance over here, you will see your Fidelity accounts. You'll be able to simply click over here and then select one of your Fidelity accounts. So after that, you will have to select where you want to invest the money from. So you can either select from the account's core position, which is the first option, which is the default one, or in case you haven't linked external bank account, of course, you can use that as well. So just click either this one or this one, whichever you want. After that, click on Continue, which is this button over here. And after you do that, the next step will be this one over here, where you will have to basically choose a fund. Now, to be able to set up this automatic investment, you will have to own at least some funds. So you will have to basically have at least one share of a mutual fund if you would like to automatically invest. So in case you don't see any on this list over here, once you click on this drop down menu, you will have to first purchase one share of a mutual fund, and after that you'll be able to do this. Now, you then want to click on Choose a Fund and then select one from the list and then also add in the amount. If I'm not mistaken over here, $10 is the minimum amount you can reinvest. You can automatically invest. So of course you can do more if you want to, but I think 10 is the lowest. Now, over here, you want to select your schedule. So day of month, you want to select which day of month you want to basically this transaction to happen. You can select the frequency, so it can be either monthly, quarterly, so first month, second month, third month, etc. Or you can even create a custom schedule in case that's something you're interested in. Now, stop date can also be assessed over here. You can either have no stop date, which is the default setting over here, or you can, of course, set a stop automatic investment after, and then you want to put in your date over here in these three boxes. Now, after you're done, after you've basically done everything the way you want it to be, at the very bottom, you'll see this button over here. It's a bit blurry, but it says Next, as you can read. And of course, you want to click on that, and then you'll see the automatic investment agreement. You'll be able to basically read everything regarding this. And if everything seems fine and everything is correct, you simply want to click on I agree over here. And after you do this, you are ready and you've successfully set up your automatic investment in Fidelity. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.